How many ways are there to select a committee of 3 people from a group of 10 people? Well, one way to solve this problem is to write out the names of these people, and I'll just use first letters here. This might be Amanda, this might be Bill, Charisse, all the way out to the 10th letter in the alphabet, I believe is J. So there are 10 people, and we want to select a committee. And one of the key words here in this problem statement is committee. It doesn't matter what order we select them in. So when we select one committee of 3, which could be Amanda, Bill, and Charisse, I don't need to come back and say, well, Bill, Charisse, Amanda is another committee. That's one committee of those 3, and the order they were selected is not important. It'd be a different question if it said select a president, vice president, and treasurer, and in that case the order would be important. But in this case the order is not important. So our next committee might be Amanda, Bill, and Dave, and on it goes. I guess the last one here would be H, I, and J. So the question is, how many of these committees are there? And clearly we don't want to list them out because there's a lot of them to list. Well, in this case, we have a combinatorics problem, and in this combinatorics problem, since the order is not significant, we say out of the 10 people that are out there, choose 3 of them. So this is known as 10 choose 3. This right here is a combination, and again, a combination is used because the committee here indicates that the order is not important. And this will be 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 7 factorial. Now you know that 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, etc. And so those values that are 7 and lower are going to cancel here with the 7 factorial. So all that leaves is 10 times 9 times 8. Again, the 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 that are sitting out here, those are going to cancel with the 7 times 6 times 4 here. So all that's left in the denominator is 3 factorial. That's 3 times 2 times 1. The numerator here is 10 times 9 times 8. Well, 9 times 8 is 72, times 10 is 720. And the denominator is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. 720 divided by 6 is 120, and that is the number of committees of size 3 that can be selected from a group of size 10.